Alright guys, welcome to Crypto Combat. Okay, so today I'll be talking about bump. Okay, I just bumped into this airdrop and right now I'm talking about bump. Alright, so for those of you that don't know what this channel is all about, I'm talking about cryptocurrency and how to make money online. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump in. As you can see here, you can read the whole of this, okay, but I just have to show you guys, okay, the whole process of this because my battery is low. So with that being said, let's jump in. All you have to do is to click on get rich fast. Alright, so you just have to wait for it to load. So I keep on saying, if this thing shows like this, it's a network problem. So all you have to do is just to click on that three dot and click reload page. Right, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load and we are done. As you can see here, it's loading, so we're just gonna have to wait. I'm just gonna have to do that again. Okay, no, I'm not doing that again. As you can see, this is how the whole interface works, right? So there's a lot of things to be talked about on this, okay, platform, and this is so cool, right? It's an endpoint and receive NFT. All right, so let me just pick point so you guys will see. You say endpoint, okay, and receive NFT. Now the NFT you have to receive is called RWA, right? I don't understand what that is. It says sell NFT and earn real money. So now you get points, you get NFT, convert it to NFT and convert it to real money at the end, right? So with that being said, let's jump in. So let me swipe to my left. It's okay. Tap farm booster. Right, so this is how the whole process works, and this is the site. Okay, will be you can go check them out. So that's how the whole process works. And let's go again. As you can see, say invite friends, say end together 10% from referrals, right? So that's how the whole process works. And now let's start, right? So already I'm earning 896.6k. Wow, this is all from today. Okay, I just earned, right? So as you can see here, they are being sponsored by Keeper, right? So this airdrop is going to be one of the biggest airdrop too that we're going to be hearing of, like Notcoin, right? So you know, most people never thought of Notcoin to be a real currency, okay, a real crypto, because of the way the whole process works, and it's on Telegram. So many scam cryptocurrencies come from Telegram, right? But look at this, not going to prove everybody wrong. So you see people are jumping into cryptocurrencies and so on like that. So all you have to do is to click on buy boost if you want to buy boost, right? So I don't want to buy boost, so all I have to do is click on this farm you are seeing here. So I know you guys are following. Click on the farm. Okay, if you've got referrals, you click on friends, and if you want to do the tax, okay, if you want to do tax, you come over here and do tax. Okay, and if you've got voucher, this is where you're gonna find your vouchers, right? So I'm new to this, okay, so I'm not gonna like tell you guys full things about this. All right, so let's go down. Now I have to click on farm. Okay, so when you click on farm, it's gonna take you to another place. So I don't know. Okay, I'm just click on farm. So you have to tap on this. Boom. Okay, you see, the more you tap, all right, as you can see here, you're earning, right? So you've got 900,000.6k, all right, to tap. Wow. So as you can see, all you have to do is just to keep on tapping, tap, and tap. I never knew of this. All right, so when I first started, I just click on farm and this started counting, right? This here started counting. So as you can see here, this is what it's doing. Everything is counting. So look at this, it's counting, right? So I'm just gonna keep on tapping. All right, so I'm just gonna click on friends. Okay, I've got no friends. I'm just gonna click on task, and you're gonna see their tags right here. Join Telegram channel, join Telegram groups, okay, retweet on their Twitter page, okay, and so on like that. As you can see, then after that you click on claim, right? So when you're done doing all the tags, you see all these little goods you are seeing here. Okay, it's going to come to life, okay, showing that you have done the tax correctly. So and if you've got any voucher, you come to the voucher and I can see they say voucher coming soon. So they haven't launched this. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching to an end of this video. All right, do more to subscribe. I'll be talking more of this cryptocurrency. All right, they haven't started launching their linking their wallet yet, so this is a free chance for you to hop in and do the tax. All right, thank you and see you in the next video.